Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama if you're new here. And today I've got a new video for you guys. So we'll be talking about nails. I've got these nails from Primark. This is not the first time I get them. I love them. They are very useful. They are so affordable. They look like they are real. And like, look at the prices. These ones they are retail for 250. These ones they retail for 150. Of course, I will be showing you a part of the video where I'll be showing you the designs they have right now at Primark. At least here in France, they have a lot of colors, a lot of choices, a lot of shapes for the nails. And what I like about it is that they have 24 nails, so you can find the shape for your nail, and if not you can file it a little bit. I never had to file because I always find the shape I need for every single one. And it's written that it wears until like up to 7 days, but actually I keep them sometimes until 2 weeks and I have to remove them myself. So I think it's very worth it. And I like the fact that they have a little open side where you can put your nail and see if they will suit your color, skin, or the shape will suit you, or if you like them. Well, this one's I opened them, so sorry about that. I don't know what happened. Okay. Anyway, these ones they retail for 250. These ones they retail for 150. Sometimes they retail until 350 if I'm not wrong, but I know prices they are changing right now, so be careful with that. But yeah, I'm not sure which ones I will start with, but I will talking about the prepping first. So I did remove my cuticles. Look at my nails, I prepped them. So I removed the cuticles with this cuticle remover from Essence, a very nice one. I just apply it and then just push with my own nails. I don't even have to use anything, and it removes everything. Like, it gets rid of everything. It's very nice, and it was not expensive. I've got it, I think 3 or 4 months ago, or even more, and no more actually, and I got it for 3 euros. I don't know if it's the same price once again. Then I've got my nails with this one. I mean, everyone has this, but look at the shape I gave them. So I try to cut them like on a way where they will not show through my nails when I will apply them. So as short as possible and as near to the skin as possible without hurting myself, of course. So this is how they look like. And then I file them with this file that I've got from AliExpress. I file them around, and now just before applying the nails and applying the glue to the nails, I will file the top of my nails, so just here, so they will stick better and more, if you get what I mean. So let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks like. Very easy, very simple. And I will show you a real one because that one I opened it. And I will show you, I will be opening everything. It opens from the top. So they come, you have 8 nails that will be showing on the top right here. We just throw here so you will see. You have this glue, nail glue. All of them, they come with the same glue. I actually prefer the pink one, by the way. And you have the rest of the nails right here. Okay. So first of all, as I told you, we will start. By the way, be careful, very important, before I forget. Put always something on top of your table or wherever you will be applying them, because this is something strong, like it sticks and it doesn't move. So be careful as well, you don't stick it to your own skin, because it's very annoying. So first of all, we will file just a little bit, not too much, your own nails. Usually you will get some little tiny numbers. I don't know if you will be able to see them actually on camera. Yes, you see that 0 there? Oh, very nice. It shows. Very happy. So you have from 0 to I think 9, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is 9. I don't know if you will see it, but you have a 9 there. Well, it will show like a 6, but it's actually a 9 from my perspective. You see? So what I do is I will be trying one by one and see if it's the right size. That's it. And the other ones I will just keep them in here until I finish, and then I will put them back, because sometimes even if one it falls or wherever, what I do is I will take another one even if it's slightly bigger, and then I will just file it, you know. So usually the zeros, they are very huge because you see they go out from my nails, so it's a no. I will take both zeros and remove them. Then I have one which usually is very big as well. As you can see, it has to be exactly the shape of your nail. This one, it goes a little bit out, so it will be sticking to your skin, so it will fall down. Be careful with that. So one as well, it's out. Where is it? Yes, but if two, because I most probably two will be the shape, 2 or 3, it depends. Yes, 3. See, 3 is exactly the shape of my nail. See, if I want a little bit more, I can put 2. I will need a 2, and maybe I will file them a little bit. It's all right. So I just take the file and file it a little bit here, you see, so it will be exactly my size for my other ones. Okay, I think, no, this is big actually. 6 looks nice. I think 5 will look nice on this one. Yes, you have 5.5 for this one. So actually I put 5.5 here and 6, 9 here, 6.5 here, and for the big ones we have put 2 at the end and we file them. Most probably I will not keep this the nails this long. I will cut them and shape them most probably, because I don't like them very long. So let's get started. This is the nail glue. You have 2 sides to it, by the way. I've cut it so you will be able to see. I try to use this one most of the time, but when it gets, you know, closed, because it sticks completely, you have the other side, which is this one. Let me show you. It looks like this. So now let's stop talking and let's start applying. And I try to go until the corners, but not all the way up, just where it will touch my nail, you see. But don't go completely until the corners, because it will go out of your nail and then it will show, which is horrible. And then you go, take all your skin out and apply it and stick it with all your strength. Be careful you're sticking it right, because once it sticks, you will not be able to remove it. You push it well, you really have to feel it. Takes around, I don't know, 15 seconds maybe. But make sure that it sticks completely, because if not, it will fall down. As soon as you do something, you do your dishes, you do anything, it will fall down. You see, it's very huge. For me, I don't like it when it's this huge. Some people, they like long nails, and I think you will find your happiness here. But for me, most probably will cut it, because I will not be able to write. Next, be careful to remove properly your skin, so it will not stick to your skin, because sometimes it can happen a little bit, you see, comes out. But as soon as you shower or anything, it will go out. I mean, leave, you will not have it. I know it may look a little bit slow, this video, but I prefer to show you step by step. I think it's important. If you apply too much, you stop pushing the glue and just move the glue right here that you have put. You don't need to apply more. but it has to be a thin layer. Don't put too much, it will really come out and you will regret it and you will not be able to do anything and you will want to cry. Actually looks nice already, see? I will continue doing my nails and I will be right back as soon as it's done. But you can see already the difference, they look so good. So this is how they look like they're amazing. I think they look very well. What do you think, guys? Amazing, like they look real. Shiny, beautiful. I love them. Of course, they're not like real acrylics, but I still think they look amazing for the price. So now I will leave them to dry a little bit before I start shaping them. I will be using, I will cut them and then I will shape them a little bit with the file. Where's the other one? Oh, this one. I'll be filing with this one. So I let them dry a little bit. You can keep them like this. Actually, it's the real shape. Just keep in mind that if you get nails with designs and you want to cut them and shape them, of course the design will leave if it's at the end. Like this one, for example, I have to be careful not to remove completely the white part, because if not, what's the point, right? So, but if you get designs like this one, there will be no problem with it because you can cut them wherever you want. There's no design. So yes, let's wait a little bit and be right back 10 minutes later. I start cutting the hand, like the nails from the hand I started with. So I'm giving more time to the other hand. So we'll do like this. You see the difference? And that's it. Now I will file them. And this is how it looks like. You see the difference? So I will do it with all of my nails and be right back. This is the before and this is the after. I prefer when they are shorter, they look way more natural. They look like they are yours, you see? As these ones, they look like they are fake. And I mean, a little bit fake, not that fake, but these ones, they look like my nails. My nails, they actually this shape when I let them grow. So that's why. I will do the other hand and then finish this video. So that's the end of this video. Look at them, they look so cute, they look so real. I mean, I just filed them, I didn't wash them or anything, but as soon as you wash your hands and everything, all these little things just leave. I've put a ring to make them look even better, of course. But just keep in mind that this retail for $2.50. I cannot even find my words. And they look this real. So of course, once again, you have to file them and make them look realistic, because if not, they will not look real. And you have to be careful with the styles and the shapes, because sometimes, like the last ones I have tried, I've done a video with them, by the way. They were brownish Bordeaux, and they had some designs on top, and when I filed them and cut them, they were not looking that good at the end. Keep in mind as well that when you are cutting them, filing them, just compare them so they will look almost the same. They will never look exactly the same, but you know what I mean. I'm so happy with my new nails. Now I will go enjoy my day. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.